Oh, what a great birthday week that was. Hanging out at Playa Santa's back. Couldn't have asked for better weather. The water was nice and warm. Lots of hikes to go on with Uma. Kayaking, swimming, margaritas. There was even a pig roast at the end of the week. Life is pretty good, I gotta tell you. But anyway, it's time to move on, and we're gonna head about an hour and a half south to Loreto to check that place out and get some groceries, laundry, do some chores. So, come along for the ride. Good morning, guys. We made it to Loreto now. We are in the downtown cores, so there are a bunch of small campgrounds here. The most popular one is Romanita, but it's a nice campground. I stayed there 4 years ago when I was here, but it's a really busy campground. It's jam-packed over there, and Jacques and Jackie, who I'm with, who have an extra car, they were going to be charged double the amount for having an extra car. So that was a little ridiculous, but we actually found this place, which is way nicer. It's only another maybe kilometer walk out of town. Pretty cool place, actually. It's secure. There's a fence at the front gate. They do yoga. The showers are pretty cool. Outdoor showers. There, sort of bathroom facilities, outdoor kitchen to wash your stuff. Blue Eddy charging up over there. Nice little area for sitting under at nighttime. We had a little fire pit over there. Yeah, cool place. There's a pool somewhere over here, but it's not, doesn't have any water in it. But yeah, nice looking spot. They look after it really well. There's even some glamping tents here. Hi, Uma. I know we haven't said hello to Miss Uma yet. Hi, Uma. How are you? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yes, I know. You're a good girl. Yeah, these glamping tents are kind of cool. The place isn't very big at all. There was nobody here when we got here, actually. So we didn't even know if the place was open or not. But yeah, really cool murals on the walls and stuff. Right where I'm parked. And these, yeah, check out these glamping tents. Pretty cool place. Palm trees. Oh, nice. Yeah, took a little look in one of these the other day. So, there we go. Little bed, chair, and everything. Yeah, it's kind of cool. And there was a cat there last night that Uma wouldn't stop barking at. It driving me crazy. But yeah, we got to do some chores today. So things are done a little different in Mexico for a few certain things. So I'm going to take you along and show you what's different and how you do it. Drinking water or water for the RV is one of the things. So yeah, we're off to do some chores this morning and gather some stuff, and I'll be back. I also forgot the inevitable finally happened, and my chair finally bit the dust. This flap broke, ripped, just after Jacques and I repaired the the leg on it. I guess the fabric became too tight and my fat ass broke it. So anyway, that's another thing we're doing today is looking for a new chair. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so first is laundry. There are virtually no laundromats in Mexico that I've come across. All the places you have to take your laundry in for wash and fold, and you pay for it that way. Seemed a little bit expensive at 200 pesos or $16 Canadian for one load of laundry, but it is what it is. I need my laundry clean. Next is water. There's no potable water around in Mexico, so you have to get purified water at these stations, and a lot of them don't have hoses for hooking up to RVs, so you have to bring in jugs and find a way of pumping water into your own RV, and I have a solution to that. Okay. Alright, so here's the solution when you can only get bottled water. Is put the jug up high so you can siphon it out a little bit, put the hose in, continue on, excuse us, Uma, over to here, to where we have a little $20 pump from Amazon, and the hose, and the drill, and you just pump the water into the tank like that. Easy peasy. All right, our chores are done for today. Laundry's done. We got water, got groceries, got everything. So we're gonna take Uma and go for a walk downtown and see downtown Loreto. Let's go. Loreto was founded in 1697. The city served as the capital of Province of the Californians until 1777. When the capital moved to Monterey, California. Loreto continued to serve as the capital of Baja California until 1829. The city grew rapidly in the 20th century and today is a major tourist hub and destination. Another tourism draw in Loreto is the blue whale tours. They are the largest whales in the world that can reach up to 100 feet. And you can see these whales in the Sea of Cortez. They start arriving in the National Marine Park in the Sea of Cortez in February of each year. Oh, that was cool going downtown Loreto. What a beautiful place this is. I'll definitely be coming back here for sure. Great destination when you're partway down to do laundry and catch up on groceries and everything else. Lots of beautiful restaurants, lots of nice places to walk around. The Malecon downtown, you can ride your bike. Yeah, fantastic place. I loved it here. So yeah, we're loaded up on water and power and groceries and everything else, and I think it's time to head to a beach again. Sounds good to me. So yeah, I think we're just going maybe a half hour further south. I can't remember the name of the beach right now, but I think that's going to be as far south as we're going to go this year. I'm going to go hang out at the beach. Both Jacques and Jackie and I have to be back in Arizona in early March. I can't even remember what month it is. Yeah, March. I have to finish getting more dental work done in Los Algodones before I head back to Canada. And they have some things to do before they head back to Canada. So yeah, we're going to turn around after this, but yeah, I'll continue to show you. Really, we're just planning for next year. I think we're going to spend the whole winter, come down right after the New Year's party at the Escapers New Year's party in Quartzsite. We're going to come down right after that and spend like a full 3 months or more down here. So we're just kind of testing the waters and seeing what kind of foods you can't get and how hard it is to get things and the driving and everything else. So yeah, so far so good. We're going to continue on next year all the way down to Cabo St. Lucas and maybe come up the Pacific side. I don't know. We'll figure that out next year. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you aren't subscribed already, please do. And we'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye.